Yo, we're here.
We're here.
Manitou Incline. Just getting started. Here's the first step. What is it? 2,700 steps? Something like that. Alright, this is it.
You take one step at a time. So we take 2 steps.
Yo, we climbing or what?
Ready?
Here, provide some content. You're being boring.
Well, we do this every year. The first time we did it, we said we'd never do this again, but now it's becoming a yearly pilgrimage for us.
Pilgrimage.
We come out here, we do it. And yeah, every year it's a different experience.
It is.
See a hell of flat land back there?
Yeah. That's going out. I'm going out east, like outside of Colorado. Alright, we're about halfway.
Not really.
Just about. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Yeah, about halfway. Not too bad. A little out of breath.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
The weed bag.
Alright, we finally made it all the way up. There's Pikes Peak right behind us. We're here at the top.
Buddy. Call me a vlogger.
Yeah, we made it to the top. Not too bad. 27,900 steps, I think. 2,700. It's Pikes Peak right behind us. Seems very windy up there. Heading back down. That's pretty awesome. It's not so bad coming down. Pretty steep.
It's not, it's flat. It's really flat.
This is a cool view.
Flat view. Flat mountain.
Yeah, it's just a massive drop. You got a picture of this drop? Yeah, this is very awesome.